World's largest offshore wind farm has sealed financing deal worth 8 billion US dollars. A major offshore wind farm said to be the largest on the planet took another leap forward Thursday with SSE Renewables and Equinor announcing the completion of a deal to finance the project. Once completed, the Dogger Bank wind farm in Britain, a 50-50 joint venture between the two firms, will have a total capacity of 3.6 gigawatts. The first two phases, Dogger Bank A and Dogger Bank B, will be built simultaneously with each having a capacity of 1.2 GW. The third phase of the project, Dogger Bank C, is being developed to a different schedule with a financial close expected toward the end of 2021. In a statement, SSE said funding for the first two phases of the project represented the largest ever offshore wind project financing everywhere in the world. Investment for Dogger Bank A and B will amount to approximately 6 billion. New statement, SSE said funding for the first two phases of the project represented the largest ever offshore wind project financing everywhere in the world. Investment for Dogger Bank A and B will amount to approximately £6 billion, around $8 billion, it added. According to the website of the Dogger Bank project, which will be located in waters off the northeast coast of England, the final group of lenders is made up of 29 banks and 3 export credit agencies. SSE Renewables is heading up construction of the facility while its operations are to be led by Equinor. The scale of the overall scheme, which is due to be finished in 2026, is considerable. Equinor and SSE have both described it as the world's biggest offshore wind farm. Last month, UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson said he wanted the country to become the world leader in low-cost clean power generation. Speaking at the Conservative Party annual conference, which was delivered virtually, Johnson stressed the importance of renewable energy sources, especially offshore wind.